For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a mobile car wash business can be a low-cost and profitable venture, especially when combined with the power of free artificial intelligence tools. With more people seeking convenience and personalized services, mobile car wash services are in demand. Leveraging AI can help you quickly generate ideas, plan your operations, automate parts of your business, and boost marketing without hiring professionals. This guide walks you step by step through the process, highlighting how to use free AI tools at each stage and providing prompt examples to help you get started. Step 1. Conduct market research using AI. Before you begin, understand your target market, competitors, pricing strategies, and local demand. Use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to gather insights and create a report. These tools can summarize market trends, customer preferences, and help you evaluate your competition. Prompt example. Act as a market research analyst. What are the current trends, opportunities, and challenges in the mobile car wash business in your city or region? Use Google Trends to identify the popularity of search terms like mobile car wash near me and determine if there is steady interest. This will help you decide which locations or neighborhoods to target. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI assistance. A well-structured business plan will guide your startup decisions and make it easier to seek funding or partnerships. Use ChatGPT to draft a complete business plan, including executive summary, business model, services, target market, pricing, and financial projections. Prompt example. Create a detailed business plan for a mobile car wash startup in location, targeting individual car owners and small businesses. Include pricing strategy, equipment needed, marketing ideas, and startup costs. You can refine this plan using tools like Notion AI to format it and keep track of your to-do list, budget, and timeline. Step 3. Choose your services and set prices. Decide on the types of services you'll offer: basic exterior wash, full detailing, waxing, interior cleaning, fleet washing, etc. Use ChatGPT to simulate customer personas and predict what services are most in demand. Prompt example. Act as a business strategist. What mobile car wash service packages and pricing would appeal most to middle-income car owners in city? You can also use Excel or Google Sheets combined with GPT-powered Google Workspace add-ons to create a service/pricing matrix automatically from your inputs. Step 4. Register your business and handle legal requirements. Depending on your location, you'll likely need a business license, liability insurance, and possibly environmental permits due to water use. Use AI tools like Do Not Pay to understand legal requirements or generate legal templates for contracts and waivers. Prompt example. What are the legal requirements, licenses, and insurance needed to start a mobile car wash business in state/city? If needed, ask ChatGPT to generate a waiver template for customers to sign before service. Step 5. Acquire equipment and supplies. List your essential items like water tanks, pressure washers, eco-friendly cleaning solutions, towels, and vacuums. Use ChatGPT to generate a checklist and even find budget equipment options. Prompt example. Generate a list of affordable, essential tools and supplies needed to start a mobile car wash business under $1,000. You can also ask, compare top-rated portable pressure washers under $300 with pros and cons. Step 6. Build a brand and online presence with AI tools. Use AI design tools like Canva with free templates and AI text generators to create your logo, business cards, and flyers. For your website, try using free tools like Wix AI Website Builder or Durable.co to build a mobile-friendly site in minutes. These tools generate layout and copy based on your business type. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write homepage text for a mobile car wash website targeting busy professionals in city, highlighting convenience and eco-friendly practices. Use Loka's AI logo generator to create brand visuals. You can also use ChatGPT to generate a catchy slogan or business name. Prompt example. Suggest 10 catchy business names for a mobile car wash service that sounds eco-friendly and premium. Step 7. Create a marketing plan using AI. A well-structured marketing plan will help you gain visibility and grow. Ask ChatGPT to draft a 30-day or 90-day marketing strategy tailored to your goals and budget. Include digital marketing, local SEO, partnerships with apartment complexes, and fleet contracts. Prompt example. Create a 90-day marketing plan for a new mobile car wash business, starting with a $500 marketing budget. Include online and offline strategies. You can use Meta's free ads library or Canva AI to draft promotional ads. Use free CRM tools like HubSpot to manage your customer database and email marketing. AI tools like MailChimp's free version include smart content suggestions and email automation. Step 8. Optimize route planning and scheduling with AI. Efficient scheduling can reduce fuel costs and increase the number of cars you service daily. Use free route planning apps like Circuit Route Planner or Google Maps combined with AI logic, like Zapier plus OpenAI, to automate appointment scheduling. Set up automatic text reminders using tools like Twilio or WhatsApp AI bots. Prompt example. Help me plan a mobile car wash route for 5 appointments in city, using the most efficient path. Start time is 9 a.m. and each job takes 1 hour. You can also create a booking form using Tally or Google Forms and integrate it with Google Calendar. Step 9. Collect reviews and build a reputation. Reputation is key in service-based businesses. Ask satisfied customers to leave Google reviews or Yelp feedback. You can use ChatGPT to write polite review request messages. Prompt example. Write a friendly WhatsApp message asking a client to leave a 5-star Google review after receiving a mobile car wash service. Monitor online reputation using tools like Google Alerts and respond to feedback professionally. AI tools can also summarize reviews for business improvement insights. Conclusion. Starting a mobile car wash business doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Wix AI, and Google Workspace, you can efficiently plan, launch, and grow your business. From generating ideas to automating bookings and creating marketing campaigns, AI empowers you to move faster and smarter. By following these steps and using the right prompts, you'll build a business that is not only profitable, but also scalable and tech-forward. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.